In our series of the SQL interview question, I'm again back with a new question that has been asked in the Snapchat SQL interview. Okay, so let's see what the question is. We have an activity table and we have age breakdown. Okay, so in activities table, we have given user ID wise their activities. Like this user ID 123 did one activity which is 7274, and in that activity, what he did actually opened the snap. Okay, in opening, how much time he spent? 4.50. Okay, same this user ID 123 did another activity while sending the snap, and this much time he spent. Okay, so what we have to do is basically we have to find age bucket wise, like how much time they are spending while sending the snaps and while opening the snaps. Okay, so in this particular table, we have user ID and the activity and the time spent, but we don't have age breakdown, which is the age breakdown is present in the age breakdown table. Okay, age bucket is present in the age breakdown table. Now we have one column common to merge these two tables, that is user ID. User ID is present in the activities table as well as in the age breakdown table. So let's get started. I'll be simply writing select star from activities and join age breakdown on what we can join on age breakdown dot user id equal to activities dot activities dot user id. So wherever these columns are matching, we are joining the table. Okay, so we have joined the table. Now in the same table, I mean the same output, we have user id, we have activity time, time spent, and we have the age bucket. Okay, now let's see what we want. I'm creating a new column, that is what, a new column of opening snaps time and the sending snaps time. Okay, so for that I'm using case when statement. So I'm writing here case when the activity type equal to send, then I'm saying the time spent else 0, and as I'm saying that as a sending time. Same way I'm saying case when activity type equal to open, then time spent else 0, and as opening time. Okay, let's see what happened. So we have created two columns, sending time and the opening time. Let me remove these useless columns so that you can see the output clearly. What we want is, we want simply A's bucket, okay, and the activity type. Let's see, 10 times. So now let's see. So whenever the activity type is chat, you are getting 0 in both sending and the opening snaps. Okay, but when it is opening, like open activity type, then you're getting the time spent in the opening time column, and in the sending time you're getting 0. When it is send activity type, you're getting the time spent in the sending time, and the other column you're getting 0. Okay, so this way, if I'll group data is bucket wise and I'll take the sum of the sending time and the opening time, then I'll be able to get is bucket wise sending time and opening time, which I'll use to divide to find the percentage for the sending percent and the opening percentage. Okay, so let's remove these two columns, these are not required. Now here I'll be writing group by what is bucket, and here I'll be writing sum of the sending time and the sum of the opening time, sum of the opening time. Okay, let's see what we're getting. We got age bucket wise sending time and the opening time. Now they have given how you can find the sending percentage and the opening percentage. So obviously to find the sending percentage, you will be keeping the sending time in the numerator and the time spent while sending plus opening in the denominator. Okay, so these columns query are a bit large, so like we'll not be dividing here, we'll be creating a new uh, like temporary table using the ct so that it will not look that complex. Okay, so I'm just writing here with ct and I'm putting this query inside the ct. Now the ct will behave as a table, so select star from ct, you can check this. So the cd is now behaving as a table. So now I'll be just writing here this sending percentage and this opening plus this sending percentage multiplied by 100, as you can say this as send percentage. Okay, and for opening percentage time, obviously this opening percentage divided by opening plus sending time multiplied by 100 will give you what, as open percentage. Okay, so we got send percentage and open percentage. They are looking for what, in expected output they're looking for send percentage and the open percentage. They don't want this sending time and opening time, so we can remove those columns. So I can just write here a is bucket instead of select star. Okay, so we got this. Now as you can see, they want up to only two decimal places, so you can round them by using the round function up to two decimal places. Here also round up to two decimal places. Okay, so what we got, a is bucket wise send percentage and open percentage. Okay, anything else they are looking? I think this is fine. Now let's submit and just see if our output is matching with the expected output or not. So this got accepted. That means whatever we have written is correct. Okay, so let's take an overview how we did. So first of all, using the case one statement, we created like two different columns, sending time and opening time, and which like we separated the sending time and opening time. And what we did then, we simply divided the sending time by the sum of the opening time and the sending time. Okay, and for the opening percentage, opening time divided by the opening time plus the sending percentage, sending time, to get the open percentage. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, you can comment down. Stay tuned. Signing off.